like we as a team will give you each and every clarity about your future business commitment from our side, the things that we are doing from our side to help you guys and the customer experience, right? Everything we will do. You please be open. Tell us what exactly you need in terms of getting that right customer experience. That is what my sincere request is. I think let's decide today is the right day to move to the next level in terms of giving the best customer experience. Correct, guys? How many will say yes? People are sleeping too. How many people are sleeping?
So we are training over. We'll have a quiz after that. And till each one of you gets 100%, we will not leave this place. My flight is at 8:30 in the night. Okay? Everybody has to understand, has to answer that question, and it has to be 100%. I mean, I was assuming that basic definition you know. That itself is a starting point. But okay, we'll start now. That is, it's never late than never. So let's do the full training. My sense that I'm getting is the basic hygiene things are not being followed. Take or treat, you have to think this. How do you build a relationship with customer? So for example, lot of places, customer also acts smart. He places the order, changing the pin code. That we have to correct. But we know those things. Then you realize the customer is 20 kilometers away, but he actually ordered here. Does that happen? We don't know. So how do you manage that? If you don't do, so you have to tell your FE or your boy to manage it. If he is going to call customer and say, I will not come, आप बाहर में जाओ, customer will escape. But you manage it. You say, you place the order, pin code was this, can we both help each other? You come 10 kilometers, I will come 10 kilometers, let's meet at a common point and I'll give it to you. So you have to be smart about your business. How do you convince a customer even if he is given you wrong? अभी क्या होता है? The moment that happens, you tell him I will not do, no customer, no stability, escalation happens. All this you can manage. See, in a small location, small area, customer also doesn't have a choice. Okay? You tell 5-10 customers like this, look, I will travel 10 kilometers, I will come to this common point, maybe a college ground, maybe a mall, maybe a shop like this. You all come here, take the student. So you have to be smart about your business. Just think about earning money and doing the right thing for customer. All things will be done. Okay? So I think what we will do is, I think I've given you enough lecture. Okay, right? So what we will do is, I think I requested Suresh also to come up with few good partners like you who are doing well. So next 1.5 hours, what we want to spend is listen from you. I also will request those good partners to come and share with you what are they doing good, so that you guys can learn from each other and even create a WhatsApp group. Help each other. This is what I do every day. This is how I manage my practice. This is how I make sure everybody is out by 9 a.m. or 10 a.m. Or this is how I monitor their performance. I sometimes give incentive of 2 rupees or 5 rupees for the boy who is doing higher conversion. I also, penalize if this duty bad becomes this much or this percentage. I actually take 2 rupees per shipment from it. Uska salary mein se cut karta hu. Do all of this. All this will start to materialize and things will start to move slowly and slowly. Like I said, 30% CSAT tha, slowly. There are partners today who started at 40% are now doing 90%. And the UD band has come down to 2%. सबने आपके साथ same journey. You ask him how many times I have scolded him, how many times I have sent my WhatsApp message. Sunday also, right? Every time, 12 बजे रात के 1 बजे also. ठीक है? So I want to hear from you. You should facilitate the discussion. Make them, engage with each other. Right? What is the problem? What we will do to help? ठीक है? What time of training will start? 2 o'clock. ठीक है? ठीक है? Post lunch will start the training. Break लेना है? Should we hear from you now or we break लेना है? 10 minute break? Okay. Small.
So far you are explaining about your system and what you are the plan is what you are implementing in your Flipkart.
Sure.
In Flipkart, you are working with eCart is also your system concern. You are explaining about the systems and how the plans following in eCart.
Sure.
But here all the people are belongs to LMD.
But we are handling Flipkart.
I am only talking about customer experience.
Yes. Here it is. Here we are all LMD people.
Sure.
There is a quite difference between LMD and eCart.
Sure.
The operations are similarly going on, but the situations are somewhere some different. Whereas in 100 locations we are handling every day, only 2 or 3 locations we are getting that CSAT score is very high. That is, example in Vijayanagaram, for the last 15 days we are going. That is, frequently we are getting high CSAT score in Vijayanagaram and Srikakulam. Only 2 locations in out of 100 locations. Even though we are trying the same level of working, what they are doing, we are also trying to get that much of result in our locations also. Even there, we are trying much, we are not getting the results.
So you are talking about which location? Like you are from which?
Not only particularly one location.
Not just